Hello, my friends. Today we will learn about a really exciting and useful new feature in the popular WhatsApp application, which is the convenient and efficient call scheduling functionality. This particular feature works on both the WhatsApp business application and the regular WhatsApp platform. It also functions perfectly on Android phones as well as iPhones. And at the end of our discussion, we will find out whether this specific feature is truly useful or not. We simply open the application as usual. Next, we go to the Calls option. From here, we will simply click on it, and then I will proceed to click on the Calls icon from this particular place. Here, you will undoubtedly find a brand new and very convenient option clearly labeled Schedule Call. We will then click on it. Here, you are expected to add a comprehensive description for this specific call. For example, I will now carefully write this detailed description for your reference. And here at this precise moment is the exact time when this automatic call will commence its operation. For example, I will carefully click right here on this specific area and then proceed to choose the exact day or the particular month that I desire. For instance, I will specifically select this particular day from the calendar, then I will click the OK button to confirm my choice. After that, I will navigate to the time section, click on it, and then choose whether it's in the morning period or the evening period. For example, I will choose the evening time. And then I will proceed to set the precise time when this particular call will be made automatically and without any further intervention. For example, I will choose 11 o'clock in the evening and then I carefully select the specific minutes, for instance, precisely 9:50. Finally, I then proceed to click the OK button. Here you are presented with the option to choose the automatic end time for this particular call, which can be quite convenient. For example, if I personally don't want this particular option, I can simply click right here. And then, in this section, you carefully choose the specific type of call you wish to make, determining whether it's going to be a video call or, alternatively, an audio call. For instance, I will now choose the audio option. And finally, after making my selection, I will proceed to click right here to confirm. Here, I select the person or people who will be called automatically. For example, I will choose this person by checking them from here, and then I will proceed to click right here on this specific button. So when the precise time you have carefully set and configured eventually arrives, the scheduled call will be automatically initiated and seamlessly made. And I genuinely believe that this particular feature can prove to be quite useful and beneficial in certain specific situations. While conversely, it might not be as useful or perhaps even less relevant in other different contexts. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some really helpful and informative WhatsApp tutorials where you'll definitely find important, detailed guides that you'll truly like and greatly benefit from. The Kamiko Pain. Goodbye, my friends.